Why is it that you forget where you parked your car? Well, first, we need to understand how our brain works. There are four necessary steps our brain takes to retain memory: encoding, consolidation, storage, and retrieval. Encoding is the process of converting sensory information into a form that can be stored in the brain. For example, when you see an object, the visual information is encoded into the brain. Consolidation refers to the process by which memories are strengthened and stabilized in the brain after they are initially encoded. Storage refers to the retention of encoded information in the brain over time. And retrieval refers to the process of accessing stored information when it is needed. This involves in the activation of the neural networks that were involved in the encoding and consolidation of the memory. So, what caused you to forget where your car is parked at? It is likely that the information where you parked your car was never encoded if you've never physically turned back to see where your car was, or the information was never consolidated if you didn't pay attention to where you have parked. Don't believe me? Guess which Apple logo is correct? In fact, none of the logos are correct. How is that? You've seen Apple logos everywhere. Just like you forgot where you parked your car, most of us don't really know what the Apple logo actually looks like. This is because encoding and consolidation didn't take place in your brain. So, how can we encode and consolidate? We need to pay attention to what we need to remember for our brain to encode the information. Also, repeated exposure to the same information can help with consolidation. This can be achieved through spaced repetition, which involves reviewing the material at increasing intervals. Relating new information to what you already know can help strengthen the neural connections in your brain, making it easier to retrieve the information later. By taking these simple tasks, we can better retain memory and further use the memory to store and retrieve memory.